Hello all! So, did you ever wonder how these protected cells actually work? In case you're wondering, this is like a standard lithium cell, 21700, unprotected, typical cell. Whereas these three all have a little extra PCB inside, which operates different function in different cells, but mostly it's there to cut current for overcurrent protection and to cut the current in case the voltage goes too low or too high. Some even have nice hardware fuses in them, and yeah, it saves you from worrying about battery management, at least some aspects of it. Yeah, but actually, there's one thing that probably most people aren't aware of. Like, if you actually look inside how these work, is you have a little cell-shaped PCB inside, and this PCB, of course, needs voltage to work. So you need to get the both the plus and the minus to this PCB. So most of these cells actually seem to put this PCB on the negative side. So as you can see, just sort of use that PCB as the actual negative terminal, which is nice if you're soldering to them, you don't cook the cells. But what that means is you have to get the positive from the top down here somehow. Yeah, and this to me just seems a little bit sketchy. Yeah, so if you understand how that works, is you just have like a nickel strip running down the whole battery, connected to the bottom, and yeah, that's like that Kapton tape right there is the only thing separating this from the cell. And I mean, you even wonder for situations like water damage, could this even be even worse due to the extra surface area? So yeah, this is another cell and has this exact same system. So, you know, a little bit of extra insulation on the top, but again, you have all of this nickel with the really thin separator. It's just, I don't know. And yeah, in case you're wondering, all of these PCBs, it's just some MOSFETs, I think, and a little IC that can switch them. And on one of them, I've seen a hardware fuse, but not very common. Yeah. And this last one, another fun fact. So just for reference, this is a really nice LG cell, 5 amp hour. Cost around €3 in any decent volume. This, I think, for one is like €17. For 100, what, 12, 13? Does that look similar to you? So yeah, it's literally just like a LG M50 LT, which is a great cell, just, you know, 4 times the price. Anyway, what I like about this one is it's the only one I've seen that actually has the PCB on the positive side. So they don't actually have, and it's not a stripped cell, so they do leave the stock insulation on there, and on the top the insulation is a little bit better. I don't quite like how they I didn't do that, that's factory spec, little crushed tip right there. But yeah, the positive contact's there, and then the negative, it's just this little bit here is stripped and then spot welded on there, so you don't get this huge piece of positive electrode running down the side. I don't know, maybe it's fine, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Make up your own opinion about this, but yeah, just I was completely unaware that this is even a thing. Just sort of caught me on guard. Thought you might like to know. Bye bye.